It's the fall season, and if you don't act now, you're going to have the same pest problems next spring. But this year, I'm stopping garden pests from overwintering before it's too late. Here's exactly what you need to do in the next 2 weeks. Most gardeners wait too long. These aphids, whiteflies, spider mites, they're already looking for winter shelter. I learned this the hard way after losing entire crops to overwintering pests. But right now, you still have time to prevent it. Your first priority: complete garden bed cleanup. Remove every piece of dead plant material. Also remove any dead tomato vines and fallen leaves. These aren't compost materials, they're pest hotels for winter. I'm showing you the exact areas most gardeners miss. Right now, when temperatures are still above 40 degrees, apply dormant oil spray to fruit trees and woody plants. Next week, apply beneficial nematodes to soil. These microscopic predators hunt and kill overwintering pest larvae like cutworms and grubs before they can damage your spring plants. Mix them with water and drench your garden beds, focusing on areas where you've had pest problems before. Install physical barriers around your most vulnerable plants before hard frost hits. Apply 1 to 2 inches of organic mulch around perennials to protect against winter pest invasion. This needs to happen in the next 10 days. Do this right now, and next spring you'll see 90% fewer pest problems from day 1. Your seedlings will be stronger, your plants healthier, your harvest bigger. But only if you act this week. If you want healthy soil and pest-free gardens next spring, implement these 3 steps this week. Don't wait until spring, it's too late then. Thanks for watching, and please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more great gardening tips. Drop me a comment below and let me know how things go with this action plan. See you on the next video.